Think of an idea, repeated like a steady drumbeat. Every time the words leave your lips or echo in your mind, they nudge two arenas at once: the way you see yourself and the subtle field of possibility that surrounds you. A well-chosen affirmation can boost confidence the way good posture lifts a spine. Speak it often enough and people feel the change before you say a word. Yet the same repetition can do more than brighten mood. It can influence the odds by which events unfold. Metaphysics treats thought as the seedbed of reality. What we rehearse inwardly is, in effect, a vote cast into a collective current that prefers familiar patterns. A single phrase will not rewrite the world, but persistence gathers weight, tilting outcomes the way countless drops create a river's bend. Because that current has no sense of calendar, wording matters. State the desire as though it exists now. I earn a steady, abundant income lands, but I will earn drifts forever into tomorrow. Keep it constructive and self-directed. Pledging that you run faster strengthens you. Wishing a rival slower scatters energy and invites backlash from hidden countercurrents, guilt, fear, or an old memory you have forgotten but the body remembers. When backlash appears, a goal that triggers dread, a mantra that leaves you tense, pause. Swap the grand claim for a smaller, adjacent one that feels safe to hold. If "I am wealthy" spurs resistance, try "I create value through my work," or step outside yourself entirely. Walk a busy street and silently gift strangers the prosperity you want. The mind relaxes when generosity replaces struggle, and buried objections surface where you can address them. Affirmations excel at breaking catch-22 loops that demand experience before opportunity. Suppose you dream of cooking professionally. Repeat, "I am a skilled, creative chef," while you study recipes and practice technique. Charisma opens the kitchen door. Competence keeps you inside. Guard the other side of the ledger as well. Casual self-insults, spoken daily, carry the same power in reverse. If a negative belief has calcified, alternate it with its opposite. Clumsy, coordinated; uncertain, capable, until the polarity softens and a positive line can take root. For deeper work, pair affirmation with a brief 5-step visualization. Name the target clearly, clear any immediate doubt, summon genuine enthusiasm. See the creative force, whatever you call it, fulfilling the scene. Give thanks, then release it. Done wholeheartedly, this sequence plants a vivid, living image in the soil of shared reality and trusts the unfolding to time. Affirmations are not shortcuts past skill or ethics. They are quiet levers, modest in appearance, powerful through repetition, and most reliable when they lift you without pushing anyone else down.